What's up guys, GogoTech back with another video. Today I got a video for you. Today I'm gonna be installing Windows 10 on this brand new laptop who just got Windows 7. I will change that and I will have it to Windows 10. First of all, there will be a link in the description where you can make your own bootable CDs you're gonna need for installing Windows 10, of course. So pop that in to your CD drive. Of course, yeah, turn it on. Then it will ask you to install an operation system, so I'm gonna just insert that CD. It's a brand new hard drive, so that I'm gonna insert that CD and pop it right back. Sorry I don't have a good tripod, but trying to make videos for you guys. Press Ctrl Alt Delete and then should boot. On a few lap F12, this kind I think is from F12, others are from F11 or from FN button. Shut down completely the computer, then turn it on and then click on that on your BIOS. Yep, and we are in the boot menu. So it was the F12 button. So I'm gonna scroll down with that arrow pads, okay, down to where it says this ODD CD DVD writing. It says CD DVD. WW means for writing. I'm gonna just enter that. But basically, if you have a USB bootable, click any key. Just click any key to boot from the CD drive. If you have a I'm 64-bit. If you have any USB flash drive that you have installed Windows on it, this is the same progress. You will be going to your boot menu, and then we will not choose CD DVD writing, but you will choose USB devices. Basically, LAN means that we are connected to a network. So I'm gonna fast forward this video. Our language, I'm gonna choose United States, Windows logo, and I want United States. Keyboard input, and not United States, this is in German keyboard. This process can take about 30 minutes, but this video will be so simple and very fast. Okay, so the first thing is that shows next and install now. Now don't be scared from those graphics. You can see that my mouse is very big and something is not right with the display. Don't worry, all that is driver issues. After installing Windows 10, you will be commanded to install your drivers, your graphics card, all of that. And if you have a similar like this AMD Radeon graphics or something like that, AMD programs should do all the work for you. Now you will see this screen pops open. You have to read it. I don't actually read it, I read it before. Just accept and next. And now you want to see this. It's where it comes to you. Install Windows only advanced option with just a clean fresh start. Okay, I'm gonna delete everything. Just make it one partition. Okay, as you can see, 961 gigabytes is a terabyte. I'm gonna click next. And the installation properties. This should take around 10 minutes, but it can be faster if you have an SSD or a higher model laptop or computer. They both will be having the same screen on computer or laptop. I'm gonna just fast forward this video. This part is very long. So I'm not gonna film all that. I will be right back. kind of finishing now up. Again, this took me exactly 9.5 minutes. So the whole process, I think it should take about half an hour till an hour and a half or 2 hours if you have an old computer or PC. Okay, so restarting, and there will be a lot of glitches, so don't worry, don't expect something bad happen to your PC. It's totally very normal. But if you have your PC under warranty, especially, don't do that, because it will avoid your warranty. It's just for education. If you want to try it yourself out, you can try it, but I don't take any risk of anyone risking their laptop or computer. This time it is a Toshiba one, so there will be a lot of glitching as I said to you, but I will also fast forward this part.
Hi there, I'm Cortana, and I'm here to help. A little sign in here, a touch of Wi-Fi there, and we'll have your PC ready for all you plan to do. You can use your voice or the keyboard along the way, and if you'd like me to stay quiet, just select the sound icon. If you need an assistive screen reader, press the Windows, Control, and Enter keys at the same time to enable narrator. Okay, enough intro. Let's dig in. Your
Versions
region is set to United States.
versions
Is
of
that
Windows
right?
depends on she is talking or not. Okay, so just choose your language. I'm gonna just go United States or United
Your
Kingdom,
keyboard is set to
and
US. Want to stick with that?
nope. I'm gonna go with French because my keyboard is French, and hit next or yes.
Do you also type with another keyboard layout?
No. No. Just Cortana irritates me. Just skip that.
Now let's get you connected to a network.
Okay, no
That
problem.
way you can get... How about the first one on the list? Want to use that one?
Started, okay? Skip, and just enter in Windows normally.
Type what you want to name your account.
My father.
Okay, now type a password for your account.
Okay. Just leave it.
Hey, look! It's the me part of setup. Can I have permission?
No.
These are the settings Microsoft recommends.
Accept.
Okay, that's the last step.
It will take you a small tour guide, I think. Other than that, you are basically all set up from this point. I hope you liked this video. Be sure to subscribe for more awesome videos like this one, and if you liked it, be sure to drop a like down below. It really helps me. And if you have any question, just drop that down below in the comments. I will answer every single question for you guys. And without further ado, thanks guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Fast forwarding this video till it ends out. As you can see guys, we booted right up into the Windows. Don't be shocked from your graphics, everything will be solved. In the next video I will show you how you can easily install all of your drivers and all that kind of drivers that you need to know about your laptop and more. So thanks guys for watching, catch you guys in the next one. Peace.
Oh shit, oh take, pray them niggas go away. Oh, we sell the clowns around, it look like circus show. Like, this is not the album either, these are just a dough.